Can a machine imitate a human? This is a question that society has struggled with for many years. It has been the subject of more than a few science fiction books and movies. Artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine to perceive, learn, solve problems, etc. Why is this technology important? Here are the reasons. AI can reduce human error. When properly programmed, AI can significantly reduce errors. Take medical errors, for example. In 2018, Miguel Paredes published a paper showing that AI predicted with 78% accuracy the probability that a patient with sepsis would die 30 days after discharge from the ICU. AI would not replace human intuition and knowledge, but unlike humans, AI cannot be exhausted or stressed. AI can perform dangerous tasks. Collecting and sorting household waste is ranked among the most dangerous jobs in the world. A study in Denmark showed that garbage collectors are twice as likely to have stomach problems as the general workforce. They also suffer from infections, allergies, and back injuries. AI-driven robots can reduce risks to humans. You can find advanced waste sorting robots in some recycling plants. Computer systems are trained to recognize different types of recyclable materials, grabbing cans, glass and plastic from the trash heaps. AI helps with repetitive tasks. Even if it was perfectly safe for humans to sort cans and glass, it would get boring very quickly. This kind of work is mind-numbing and mundane for humans, who thrive on creativity. Repetitive tasks can also be difficult for humans to stay focused, leaving room for error. AI-driven machines don't get bored, they always perform a task the same way, and they don't lose focus. AI will affect the workforce. There are many concerns about robots taking over tasks, but the reality is a bit more complicated. According to the World Economic Forum, automation will create 58 million jobs. About 2/3 of the affected jobs will become more skilled while 1/3 will be less skilled. It's also likely that instead of totally replacing jobs, AI will become mainstream. One company, Samsara, has created AI dash cams for truck fleets. Using AI, the cameras could detect if a driver was not wearing a COVID mask. AI may not take a person's job, but it can monitor them. AI has implications for human rights. In 2020, the OHCHR published a report analyzing the effects of AI on the rights to privacy, health, movement, peaceful assembly, etc. Tim Engelhardt, a human rights specialist with the Rule of Law and Democracy section, called the section a disaster. The problem is the speed at which the AI is integrated, as well as the biased data sets that the AI relies on. When AI is constructed with bias, it leads to negative outcomes for already marginalized populations. AI is available at all times. Unlike humans, AI can perform tasks all day. This is especially useful for customer service and other helplines, which is a huge industry for AI solutions. According to one study, the IBM Watson Assistant, which was most beneficial when used with human agents, saved money and allowed agents to spend more time on important tasks. As technology advances, always available AI chatbots will become more and more effective. AI works faster than humans. New technologies can speed up processes and decisions for organizations like NASA. In 2021, Pathways intern Ivana Jitsi developed the Artificial Intelligence Research for Spacecraft Resilience, RAISR. Using RAISR, AI could quickly diagnose faults in spacecraft and spaceflight systems. It works by using a combination of classic AI and machine learning techniques to find connections humans can't. Speeding up the fault diagnosis process would lead to faster repair and improve mission efficiency. AI plays a huge role in social media. TikTok, which is the most downloaded app in the world, uses machine learning. When a user first opens the app, they are greeted by a handful of popular videos. Based on what the user is interacting with, the algorithm identifies similar videos using details such as hashtags, sounds, language, and subtitles. Once TikTok has enough data, it maps a user's preferences into groups of users and videos. With machine learning, the algorithm presents new videos based on these clusters. Unfortunately, this raises questions about extremism and radicalization, which is another reason why the role of AI in social media matters. AI contributes to learning. Duolingo, a popular language learning app, uses AI in a variety of ways, including in a machine learning implementation called BirdBrain. Based on user performance, BirdBrain adjusts the difficulty of a lesson. If a user keeps getting it wrong, the app will reduce the difficulty. If the user gets all the answers right, the app will ask a harder question. Once a user completes 5 to 6 lessons, the app can start producing personalized AI-generated lessons, creating a personalized experience. As technology improves, so does personalization. Developing good AI is complicated. AI is only as good as the programs humans build. And what is good, anyway? Is it just the AI that meets certain objectives? Goals are often unclear. Take self-driving cars, for example. We all want them to be safe. However, it can mean that we end up with cars driving too slowly and suddenly stopping for anything that moves, like a plastic bag. Before we can have good AI, we need to work through the complexities of what defines a good goal. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.